Hi everyone. This is my case study presentation on college sport and declining stadium attendance, designing adaptive strategies. Some reasons for declining attendance. I use these to come up with my decision recommendation, which is to develop and implement ticket-related marketing initiatives that target younger generation fans and millennials. Why does this proposal focus more on millennials? Well, this is because many of the reasons we saw in the past slide for declining attendance can be attributed to this age group, which is between the ages of 18 and 40. Along with that, millennials make up 75% of the population, so it's a big consumer base to tap into and try and to attract to games as well. Are there any colleges doing this as well? So we have a few up on the slide here. Harvard launched its Crimson Rewards app initiative in 2014. So this is an app that lets students earn points for attending games, and then when they hit a certain goal, they are allowed to redeem these points and get things like gift certificates, small electronics, sunglasses, apparel, and things like that. The University of Oklahoma did a complete stadium renovation project where they installed Wi-Fi, and they also completely renovated the restrooms because the millennial age group values these items as well. The University in Kentucky did something similar too, and through these things that these colleges did, they saw an increase in their attendance for their games as well. So next is our action plan or strategy implementation, which includes all the following steps. We're going to skip down to number 4, which is the strategic plan, which is the tactics or actions that will be used to reach the goals and objectives. So here's our initiative. As you can see, our initiative is We're Mobile and United, because it's designed around millennials' use of smartphones or mobiles, and then the objective is to get them mobile or to the games. So the united part is because millennials like social experiences and like being together with friends and families in a social setting. So here's what we're offering. Current news and information about games through emails. These emails are going to be frequent and catchy, short and sweet, so the point is get across very quickly, so the millennials don't have to read such a long paragraph about what's going on. We're also giving digital ticketing. Now, this helps the millennials just have the ticket right on their phone, where they can come right up to the booth when they're coming into the game. They just have their phone scanned and they get right in there as well. It makes it a lot easier for them instead of going to the box office and grabbing a ticket and then going back into the game. Now, these first two things don't sound very innovative, because a lot of organizations do these already, but we're taking things a little bit further by having Wi-Fi installed in stadiums, creating customized apps, and designing some awesome surprise social and mobile experiences for the fans as well. So let me explain more about these apps and surprise experiences. So our creative marketing team has designed an app that delivers game content information to fans' smartphones while the game is actually happening. So the fans are getting play-by-play as they're watching the game there. They're getting notifications. Another app will send alerts to fans to let them know about stadium conditions, such as lines at concession stands, the restroom lines, and where to find special gathering areas as well. Fans can also be chosen at random for pre-game, during game, and post-game surprise social and mobile interactions or experiences, like getting a tour into the locker room, coming down onto the field to have pictures taken with players, or receiving free giveaways as well. We're Mobile and United. We'll make game days fun, unique, and memorable. It's the way to increase attendance, ticket sales, and revenue. I'm going to leave you with a quote from Brian France, who is the Chief Executive Officer of NASCAR. Thank you.